Hey everybody, this is Ryan, and if you're looking for some solar powered pathway lights, this video just might be for you. So this company reached out to me and said, Ryan, can you do a little unboxing, a little overview, a little tutorial of our solar powered pathway lights? You might say no, but no way whatsoever. This is being provided to me at this review because I'm here to keep it real. This is what they look like. Very, very cool. We have the light fixture in here. It is an LED single element. You have the solar powered fixture right here. As noted, when it is covered and it is in dark mode, there is a photo cell right here. And so when there's enough light, it will turn off. And then when it's dark enough, it will turn on automatically. Total length down to the tip is 16 inches. Once installed, depending on how deep these are pushed down, the stake section that is at the bottom going to the top is roughly 12.5 inches. 12.5 inches of all the tube area going up, and then the actual tube before the actual fixture starts. This section is about 8 inches in length. There might be a couple different finishes. This just happens to be black, so it has sort of a decorative top here. This is of a plastic material, so don't worry about it breaking. This area also is all of a hard plastic, and this tube looks to be made out of something like aluminum. There is a switch to turn these on or off, and just with a quick twist, it clips in place. Inside the fixture, there looks to be sort of a reflective piece, so when it's on, it's gonna distribute the light a little bit more evenly. This just so happens to be a pack that has about 10 in it, and they're all the exact same size. So this is what it looks like at nighttime. This shows the illumination on the path that these are mounted against. Shows the little shadow line there from how these are mounted. Quite bright, good illumination. Very, very cool. And when strategically placed to be equal distance apart, gives a nice decorative look. Very, very impressive. Hope this answers any and all questions you might have about these very cool solar powered lights that are in the warm Kelvin color category, and we'll talk to you soon.